Linux Mint is one of those operating systems that quietly earns loyalty rather than demanding attention. And its story begins with a simple but powerful idea: making Linux comfortable, familiar, and dependable for everyday users without stripping away the freedom that makes Linux special. When people first hear about Linux, they often imagine complexity, command lines, and steep learning curves. Linux Mint exists almost as a response to that fear, positioning itself as the bridge between the world people already know and the world of open source computing. From the very first boot, Mint feels intentional in its design, as if it's saying that you don't need to abandon comfort to gain control over your system. At its core, Linux Mint is built on top of Ubuntu, which itself is based on Debian, one of the oldest and most respected Linux distributions. This lineage matters because it gives Mint a solid foundation of stability, security, updates, and access to a massive ecosystem of software. But Mint is not just Ubuntu with a different coat of paint. The developers made a conscious decision early on to diverge in philosophy, especially around usability and user choice. Where Ubuntu often experiments with new ideas and changes direction, Linux Mint emphasizes consistency. This makes it particularly attractive to users who want their operating system to feel reliable over years, not just months. One of the first things users notice about Linux Mint is the desktop environment. Cinnamon Mint's flagship desktop was created because the developers felt that modern desktop environments were drifting too far from what made desktops efficient in the first place. Cinnamon brings back a traditional layout with a panel, system tray, application menu, and window list, but it does so with modern visuals and smooth animations. It feels instantly familiar to anyone coming from Windows, yet it doesn't feel outdated. Every element seems carefully balanced between functionality and aesthetics, and that balance is a recurring theme throughout the Mint experience. Beyond Cinnamon, Linux Mint also offers Mate and XFCE editions, each targeting different types of users and hardware. Mate is a continuation of the classic GNOME 2 experience, refined and maintained for those who appreciate a lightweight yet full-featured desktop. XFCE goes even further in efficiency, making Mint accessible on older or lower-spec machines without sacrificing polish. This choice alone reflects Mint's philosophy. Instead of forcing everyone into a single vision, it gives users options and respects different needs. The installation process of Linux Mint is another area where its user-friendly reputation shines. Installing an operating system can be intimidating, especially for newcomers. But Mint's installer guides users through each step with clarity. Disk partitioning, time zones, keyboard layouts, and user accounts are explained in plain language. Even advanced options are presented in a way that doesn't overwhelm. By the time the installation finishes, users often realize that the experience was far less stressful than they expected, and that first positive impression can shape their entire journey with Linux. Once installed, Linux Mint greets users with a welcome screen that acts like a gentle onboarding guide rather than a tutorial dump. It introduces essential tools, explains how to update the system, and offers links to documentation and community resources. This approach helps new users feel supported instead of abandoned. The Update Manager, for example, is designed to be transparent and reassuring. It categorizes updates by safety level, allowing users to understand what's being changed rather than blindly clicking update. This is especially important for those transitioning from systems where updates sometimes feel disruptive or unpredictable. Software management in Linux Mint is handled through the Software Manager, which emphasizes simplicity and trust. Instead of exposing users to cryptic package names, it presents applications with descriptions, screenshots, and user reviews. Popular software like browsers, office switches, media players, and development tools are just a few clicks away. Mint also supports Flatpak, expanding the range of available applications while maintaining system stability. This blend of traditional package management and modern distribution methods ensures that users can access up-to-date software without compromising the integrity of their system. Performance is another key strength of Linux Mint. The system is optimized to be responsive even on modest hardware, which makes it a favorite for reviving older computers. Unlike some operating systems that grow heavier with each release, Mint focuses on efficiency. Startup times are fast, memory usage is reasonable, and background processes are kept under control. This efficiency isn't just about speed. It's about making the system feel respectful of the user's resources, both hardware and attention. Security in Linux Mint is approached with practicality rather than fear. The system includes a firewall that can be enabled with a single click, regular security updates, and sensible default settings. At the same time, Mint avoids unnecessary restrictions that might frustrate users. It trusts users to make informed decisions and provides tools and explanations to help them do so. This balance is crucial because it empowers users instead of locking them into rigid rules. One of the most distinctive aspects of Linux Mint is its attitude toward proprietary software and codecs. While many Linux distributions avoid including proprietary components by default, Mint takes a more pragmatic approach. It offers easy access to multimedia codecs and drivers, ensuring that common tasks like playing videos, listening to music, or connecting to Wi-Fi work out of the box. For users coming from other operating systems, this can make the difference between frustration and satisfaction. Mint acknowledges the real-world needs of users while still respecting the principles of open source. The community surrounding Linux Mint plays a significant role in its success. Forums, documentation, and tutorials are abundant and welcoming. Questions are often answered with patience, and there's a strong culture of helping newcomers. This sense of community reinforces the idea that Mint is not just software, but a shared project shaped by the experiences of its users. The developers themselves maintain a transparent relationship with the community, publishing detailed release notes and explaining decisions openly. Linux Mint's release cycle is another example of its conservative and thoughtful philosophy. Instead of chasing rapid releases, Mint focuses on long-term stability. Each major version is supported for several years, making it suitable for both personal use and professional environments. This long-term support means users can install Mint and trust that their system will remain secure and functional without frequent disruptive upgrades. For many, this reliability is one of Mint's most valuable qualities. Customization is deeply embedded in the Linux Mint experience. From themes and icons to panel layouts and keyboard shortcuts, users can shape the system to match their preferences. Cinnamon, in particular, offers extensive customization without requiring advanced knowledge. This flexibility allows users to create a workspace that feels personal and efficient, reinforcing the idea that the computer serves the user, not the other way around. For productivity, Linux Mint provides a robust set of pre-installed applications. Office tools, file managers, text editors, and system utilities are included by default, offering a complete computing environment from day one. These tools are carefully chosen to be reliable and user-friendly rather than flashy. Mint's file manager Nemo, for example, is powerful yet intuitive, supporting features like tabbed browsing, split views, and network access without overwhelming the user. Linux Mint also appeals to developers and technical users, even though it's often marketed toward beginners. Its Ubuntu base means access to a vast array of development tools, programming languages, and libraries. Terminal users will find a familiar and capable environment, while graphical tools make it easy to manage services and settings. This dual appeal is part of what makes Mint unique. It welcomes beginners without limiting experts. Over the years, Linux Mint has navigated challenges that tested its resilience. From security incidents to shifts in the Linux ecosystem, the project has responded with transparency and improvements rather than denial. These moments have strengthened trust in the distribution and highlighted the maturity of its leadership. Mint's steady growth is not driven by hype, but by consistent delivery on its promises. In everyday use, Linux Mint often fades into the background, and that's a compliment. It doesn't demand constant attention or force users to adapt to radical changes. Instead, it quietly supports daily tasks, whether that's browsing the web, writing documents, coding, or consuming media. This unobtrusive nature is precisely why many users stick with Mint for years. It becomes a dependable tool rather than a constant project as the broader tech landscape evolves, with concerns about privacy, data ownership, and forced updates. Linux Mint offers an alternative vision. It demonstrates that an operating system can be powerful without being intrusive, modern without being unstable, and flexible without being confusing. For users seeking control, transparency, and comfort, Mint represents a thoughtful balance. Linux Mint's success is not measured by market share alone, but by the loyalty of its users. Many who switch to Mint do so after years of frustration with other systems, and they often stay because Mint respects their time and choices. It doesn't try to reinvent computing, it refines it. This philosophy resonates deeply in a world where technology often feels overwhelming. In the end, Linux Mint is more than just a Linux distribution. It's a statement about what computing can be when usability and freedom are treated as partners rather than opposites. It shows that open source software doesn't have to be intimidating or bare bones to be powerful. Instead, it can be welcoming, polished, and reliable, inviting users to explore at their own pace. For anyone curious about Linux or looking for a system that simply works, Linux Mint continues to stand as one of the most compelling options available.